Located just a short walk from Thamel, the popular tourist hub in Kathmandu, Kathmandu Durbar Square, also known as Basantapur Durbar Square or Hanuman Dhoka Durbar Square, is one of the capital's most-visited landmarks. The site has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. Its historical importance, beautiful Newar architecture and lively market makes it a fascinating place to visit. With Kathmandu Durbar Square and Basantapur Durbar Square, Kathmandu Durbar Square is one of the 3 Durbar Square inside the Kathmandu Valley. Kathmandu Durbar Square is where the Malla and Shah kings were once crowned and from where they ruled the country from 1768 when Kathmandu became the capital city of Nepal until 1896 when the royal residents moved to the Naranhiti Royal Palace. The name of Kathmandu comes from Kathmandu, a 7th century building located in the Durbar Square. Unfortunately, Kathmandu was totally destroyed by the April 2015 earthquake. It is believed that the construction of the Durbar Square dates back to the Lichavi era around the 3rd century, but the major temples, buildings and monuments were built by the Malla kings between the 13th and 18th centuries. Today, Kathmandu Durbar Square is still the place where are held many festivals, ceremonies and religious rituals of important significance. Kathmandu Durbar Square is a top tourist attraction destination without a doubt. Visitors to this area are welcome to visit the stunning structures with detailed stone-carved monuments and wood-carved panels and windows. As those stone and wood carving buildings, structures, temples, palaces all are significant and carry history and many more stories in Kathmandu Durbar Square. Thus, you can take a walk around the square and explore it. It's an iconic place you shouldn't miss if you're visiting Kathmandu.
Cabra, 200.